In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add it and what to put for your LinkedIn featured content. Let us dive in and get your LinkedIn profile glowing with engaging featured content. First, you need to head over to LinkedIn.com. If you are not already logged in, you will need to sign in. LinkedIn offers several options for logging in. You can choose either Google, Microsoft, or your email address along with your password. For those of you with two-factor authentication enabled, just be prepared for LinkedIn to ask for a verification code, which they will send to your designated phone number. This is just an added layer of security to keep your account safe. Once you are logged in, glance up to the top of your LinkedIn homepage and click on the Me icon. In the drop-down menu that appears, select View Profile. This will lead you directly to your profile page, where you can start making some impactful edits. Now, look for the Add Profile section button, which you will find just below your profile summary. Give that a click, and from the list of sections available to add, choose Featured. This section is where you will highlight the content that best represents your professional brand. To start adding content, click the plus button within the Featured section. LinkedIn offers several content types for you to feature. You can choose from posts that you have either authored or reshared, giving you a chance to showcase your thoughts and contributions in discussions. Alternatively, you might opt to highlight articles you have published on LinkedIn, which is especially beneficial if you have shared in-depth knowledge or insights into your industry. Beyond LinkedIn-specific content, you have the option to add links that direct viewers to external websites, documents, or other forms of media. It is a great way to connect your audience with your work beyond LinkedIn. Or, if you have visual content like images and videos, you can upload or link to these media items, adding depth and creativity to your profile. An essential step is writing a brief description for each featured item. This context allows viewers to understand why each piece is significant to you and your professional journey. Be concise yet descriptive in explaining the relevance and impact of each featured item. Finally, to emphasize your most notable accomplishments, use the drag and drop feature to organize your content. This allows you to position your standout work right at the top. Remember, first impressions matter, and you want your most impressive contributions to be the first thing people see. And that is all there is to it. Now, you have got the know how to make your LinkedIn profile shine with engaging and relevant featured content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy networking!